Derek, what can you say?
Sobrang pagod. Parang ito yung pag rocket ship na palipad mula sa ano, yun na yung feeling na na-release na namin all the tension, and I'm very proud that the girls did so well. They did so well, and the crowd was amazing. They were so engaged. They loved the set list. They loved the girls. They loved the choreography. We loved the production. So maraming salamat to everybody who came and watched that. May week 2 pa naman.
Derek, ano reaction mo na smooth lahat, lalo na yung costume change and everything, the vocals, the choreography?
Nag-work lahat ng prayers namin. Hanggang sa pagro-rosaryo ko this morning, lahat nag-work. I think, kasi pinaubayan na namin sa Diyos. Whatever happens, we were ready. If something happens, the girls will know how to handle it. But we're very happy na walang nangyaring aberya. Everything was smooth and everything was just perfect. So, thank
What's
you.
next for Beanie after this successful?
Actually, April is such an amazing month for Beanie, from Coachella to Grammy Museum to the announcement of Billboard that we will be part of on the 29th, and then coming home for the kick of the world tour. Ang daming mangyayari. Actually, you can't wait to get home and share, siyempre, our pride and our feeling of happiness with our kababayan. Siyempre, lahat naman yan, we were talking to the girls last night na we're offering this also dahil alam namin the responsibility is to be able to bring and let the Filipino talent be recognized on a global stage like Coachella.
Pierre Rox, ano masasabi mo sa girls?
Oh my God, grabe pa. Ayaw umalis sa mga tao sa audience. So we're so happy. Grabe performance. MJ, thank you very much sa coverage mo. And to our dancers, dito sila. Besties and the girls. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you. We're so happy and so grateful.